Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a video to your product page. So for example, I'm going to show you how it looks like. I will go to my online store, and now if you want your product to look like so, as you can see, it changes to a animated video. Of course it can be any video. To do this, all you have to do is go to your products, choose a product where you want to put a video on. And right here, as you can see, I have already uploaded that video because it takes some time to process. But all you have to do is click add and you will upload your video from your computer. And then it will process it and it'll automatically save. And you will have your product video like so. It will also be right here. Now, if you want to add your product on your page somewhere, you need to customize it like so. And for example, when you go to this page and you want to play the video somewhere at the top maybe or at the bottom, you will need to add a block or add a section. So probably it would be a section. You're gonna choose video like so, and again, we're gonna delete the heading. We don't need that. Let's make it small. And now we want to select a video. So let's choose our video here, click done. And also we want to select the style, the padding. Maybe we don't need a padding at all. Play video on loop, like so. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how it looks like. You can, of course, put it somewhere else. So maybe let's do that. You can do this by putting it somewhere, for example, here or here. Basically anywhere you would like to put it. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.